Kareem, I'm going to try to convince you that Jaeger is not just for frat parties and Jaeger bombs.
It's going to be a hard sell.
Intro. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Joey.
And it's your boy Kareem.
And I'm going to try to convince Kareem that Jaeger can be a delicious cocktail.
He's going to have to do a lot of convincing.
So today's cocktail comes from @TimTheTankOfficial. I think that's how his handle is.
Sounds about right.
Okay. So, and all you're going to need is 2 simple ingredients.
Which is going to be a extreme hard sell for me. Because one of them, very suspect.
So, let's get started with the cocktail. For today's simple drink, all you need is a lemon and some Jaeger. Okay? So, what we're going to do, we're going to cut this bad boy open. Just like so.
Okay.
Kareem, will you do the honors? You apple squeeze one, you squeeze ones. Does it? I wonder if these have seeds. Nope, no seeds. GMO lemons. Okay. Now we're gonna throw the whole thing right into the cup.
Okay, no ice.
We're gonna need some ice.
Okay.
So can you please grab the ice?
There you go. Block of ice.
That's an iceberg. Grab some ice, throw it in the cup. Oh, there we go. After you remove the iceberg, there's more ice. I'm just gonna use my hands here as we spill ice everywhere.
Extra flavor.
That grease and the grime from the day. Oh wait, no, there's ice everywhere. All right, I'll keep that. Little bit of apple cleaner for me. Little bit of apple cleaner for Kareem. That's a lot of ice. I don't even think we need that much, but
we'll see.
We're going to continue. And now the star of the show.
The infamous star of the show.
We have a bottle of Jaeger, which kind of tastes by itself like cough syrup and
regret.
Well, if you drink too much of it, yeah. I can't smell it because my hand smells very citrusy from the fake lemon.
Yeah, I smell lemon more than
the Jaeger. Yeah. So, I'm going to eyeball this. I think roughly about 2 ounces is what you're going to need. And just going to eyeball that so it changes a little bit of color.
Cough medicine.
Syrup. We're going to give this a little stirry stir. All right.
Okay. All right.
Spilling everywhere. Okay, cool. I don't know why I didn't spill on mine, but it's spilled on yours, so I have to go a little slower yours.
It's just the ice trying to leave the Jaeger.
So, I'm going to give it a second. Let the ice sort of melt down just a little bit. It's not by much.
A little dilution.
Yeah. And we're going to try this out in about 30 seconds from now. So I'm going to time it up real quick. Go.
So, while we're waiting for the 30 seconds, you could hit the subscribe button. Also, hit the like button.
Oh, yeah, there's that. There's definitely that. If you like anime, make sure you hit the Brews Anime Reviews link down in the description below.
Also, make sure if you like conspiracy theories, hit the Brew Broz Conspiracy channel.
BBC. Pause. There you go, 30 seconds. All right, Kareem. Now, if you take a look at the drink, what does it look like to you?
It looks like cola or tea.
It kind of looks like iced tea to me.
Yeah.
All right. Sniff test. All I smell is lemon.
Yeah.
Doesn't really smell like anything else.
Okay.
Ready? Click, clack. Let's try this out. What do you think?
Interesting. I don't hate it.
Right? It kind of it tastes very lemony right now, probably because of a lot of the lemon that we use. But
it mutes the Jaeger You get a little bit of the botanicalness.
I'm actually gonna put a little more into mine just to see if I get a little bit more of a iced tea kind of flavor. Would you like a little more?
Yeah.
Okay. Because this is supposed to taste a little bit like an Arnold Palmer. I can't talk. Arnold Palmer.
Arnold Palmer, if you don't know, is half tea, half lemonade.
Why am I struggling with yours? Like your ice does not like me. There you go. There you go. Now I got the smoothness going on. Let's try that out.
Okay. I could see the resemblance of the Arnold Palmer.
So I could see having this on a hot summer day, get a nice, refreshing kind of drink.
You know what actually, like, give this a little oomph, like maybe some seltzer.
I tried it.
How was it?
Horrible.
Really?
Yeah, it was actually really bad. I think if you really want that oomph, a little bit of Arnold Palmer in this will go a long way. It'll blend it perfectly. So, Kareem, Brew Broz scale 1 through 5. What do you give the Jaeger lemonade? Jagerade?
Jagerade?
What do you get the Jagerade?
I'm going to give it. It's all right. Let me taste it one more time.
I know you want to hate it.
I do.
You want to hate it, but
I do.
It like grows on you. It's
like
even
mold,
better.
But
the more the ice dilutes, the better of a flavor you get.
I'm going to go with a 3.8.
Oh, it's a lot higher than I thought it would be.
Well, this is very shocking.
It is.
Because it doesn't really taste like Jaeger.
It doesn't. This has been my jam for like the last week or so. I tried it out. I was like, nah, I can't be that good. And I've kind of been pounding them back a little bit.
It's easy.
It's so simple.
It's easy.
You could just make an entire pitcher of this and put it out to drink. Like for the summer. And look at that. You're almost done with your drink.
Yeah. So
if you like Jaeger or have never liked it and you want to try it, leave a comment down below.
Definitely, if you hate Jaeger, you might like this.
Leave a comment down below.
So, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell. Get notified on our next video.
And once again, big shout out to @TimTheTankOfficial. This, to me, is a bit of a banger.
Yes. And on that note,
peace out, everybody.
Stay fly.
Indulge it. So, Brew Broz scale,
Let's try it again.
So, Brew Broz scale 1 to 5. Kareem, what do you give the 2 ingredients? I don't even know what to call this. Jaeger lemonade. Jagerade.
My stomach.
I don't even know what that means.
It was like.
I didn't hear it.
All right. Let's try this again.
All right.
I'm going.
We're gonna redo that.
Yes. How many? I like the smell better than the taste, but it doesn't taste bad.
It really doesn't.